This house sits on a tight urban lot, but instead of trying to look simple and discreet, it does the opposite. It turns the facade into a sequence of layers, curves, cutouts, and screens. Badari Residence, designed by Cadence, is located in Bengaluru, India, on a site of about 2,400 square feet, a compact lot surrounded by other buildings where privacy, light, and ventilation need to be very carefully resolved. But its design does not respond to this with a closed box. It creates a house full of episodes. The house was not conceived as a single gesture. It combines more intimate spaces designed for the family's daily routine with more open areas, intended for gathering, living, and receiving guests. This difference appears in the floor plan, in the facade, and also in the way the materials are used. From the outside, the facade mixes more rigid parts with more fluid elements. It's not a flat, quiet facade. It has volumes, curves, screens, balconies, and cutouts. This gives the house identity, but it also brings a point of attention. It is a very layered composition. For those who prefer more discrete architecture, it may feel like a lot of information. The dining area follows a more expressive logic. The space uses colors, textures, and metallic details, including brass accents. This creates a more eclectic environment, less neutral. It may not appeal to those who prefer minimalist interiors, but it reinforces the intention here to create variety and small moments of surprise. The house does not reveal itself all at once. Garden terraces and the curve of the upper floor facade filter the view and create a transition between the street and the interior spaces. In a dense urban lot, this layer is essential. It protects privacy without completely eliminating light and air. The raw marble is a strong detail. It brings texture, weight, and a more mineral feeling to the bedroom. The terracotta, on the other hand, warms the composition, and the garden softens this contrast. It's a good example of how the house works with contrast: stone, earth, wood, light, and vegetation. On the garden terrace, the curve of the upper floor facade continues onto the dark floor. This detail creates continuity between wall, ground, and open space. It is not just a functional terrace, it's a more designed moment within the house. The wooden screens are also important. They'd appear as filters between interior and exterior, especially in the bedrooms and more private areas. They allow light and ventilation to enter, but without fully exposing the rooms. This is a very appropriate solution for an urban house in a warm climate. The heart of the house is the double-height social area. This space connects the living room, dining area, kitchen, prayer area, and outdoor deck. This is where the house gains a sense of amplitude. Instead of dividing everything into small rooms, here we have this larger void where the family can gather and where the floors connect visually. Wood appears strongly in this environment. The wooden ceiling warms the living room and helps balance the height of the double-height space. Without it, the room could feel cold or too large. Wood brings a more domestic, more comfortable scale. An internal bridge crosses this space. It does not serve only for circulation. It creates relationships between the levels. Whoever is upstairs can still sense what is happening in the living room, and whoever is downstairs understands the house as a more vertical, more integrated space. The bedrooms use warmer tones to create comfort. Others work with floors and ceilings in shades of gray, creating a more rustic feeling. And there are also bedrooms with more contrasting colors, avoiding a single palette for the entire house. On the rooftop, there's another living space. The home theater and guest bedroom open onto a deck with a hot tub. The slatted covering and the vertical garden help protect this space from the neighboring buildings. The strength of Badari Residence lies precisely in this attempt to transform an ordinary urban lot into a house full of layers. It does not resolve everything with a single idea. It works with filters, voids, an internal bridge, patios, screens, and expressive materials. This variety may feel excessive at certain moments. The facade and interiors have many elements competing for attention. But at the same time, this is the personality of this house. It does not seek absolute silence. It seeks a sequence of effects, contrasts, and spaces for gathering.